chapter about is natural vegetation and वाइल्ड लाइफ ऑल्सो, यानी कि प्राकृतिक वनस्पति और हमारा वन्य जीवन, तो उसके बारे में है ये चैप्टर। लर्निंग आउटकम्स फॉरेस्ट, यानी जंगल के बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे। ऑल द प्लांट्स इन प्लांट लाइफ ग्रोइंग नेचुरली एट अ प्लेस इज नॉन एज नेचुरल वेजिटेशन, यानी कि जंगल में जो कुछ वनस्पतियाँ, कुछ पेड़ पौधे झाड़ी ऐसी होती हैं जो नेचुरली ग्रो होती हैं, ठीक है। इट इज़ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट कॉम्पोनेंट ऑफ द बायोस्फीयर। Plants of a particular region or period listed by species are referred to as a flora. So the plant kingdom offered food for animals and prepared ground for evolution of animal kingdom. So fauna refers to species of animals, the animal life considered collectively of any given period and living in a particular environmental conditions is called fauna. Next one is forest, jungle. It is estimated that our country possesses about 49,000 different species of plants and about 81,000 different species of animals. Besides these species, there may be many more in the soil, in the sea, in the forest or in swamps. So these varieties occur due to variations in climate and landforms. Okay, so following major types of vegetations are found. Number 1, the tropical evergreen rainforest. Number 2, the tropical deciduous forests. Number 3, tropical and temperate grassland. Number 4, desert vegetation. And number 5, tundra vegetation. यानी कि desert वनस्पति और tundra वनस्पति. So the one is the tropical evergreen rainforest was the region extends generally between 10° north and 10° south latitudes. These are found in hot and humid areas. So where annual rainfall is about 200 centimeter due to high temperature and heavy rainfall. So natural vegetation is dense and impenetrable. Evergreen forest. So its main areas are Asia, Malaysia, Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, and parts of Thailand, Western Ghats, and hills of Assam in India. Amazon basin, South America. कहाँ पे है? In South America. Congo Basin and Guinea, Africa. Main trees of these forests are ebony, mahogany, and rosewood. Elephants, rhinoceros, monkeys, reptiles, hippopotamuses, crocodiles, alligators, varieties of insects, mosquitoes, butterflies, testes, flies, ants, and birds are here. Tropical deciduous forest. These are also called the monsoon forest. In these forests, trees shed their leaves during a particular season, dry season. Trees like oak, birch, maple, willow, and hickory were the dominant varieties. The main areas of these forests are southern Myanmar, Western Ghats in South India, and Shivalik Hills in North India and Australia. So these trees grow widely in areas receiving 100-200 centimeter annual rainfall. So elephant, tiger, deer, monkey, and antelopes are found in the monsoon forest of Gujarat in India. Okay, so while rhinoceros are found in the Shivalik Hills. Tropical and temperate grassland. Depending on the climate, there are two types of grassland. है ना, climate के according दो तरह के grassland है, tropical and temperate grassland. The temperate grassland are located in latitudes 40° to 55 north and south of the equator. These grassland are known as steppes in Asia and Europe, prairies in North America, pampas in South America, belts in South Africa, and downs in Australia. So due to scanty rainfall, deep-rooted grasses are found. Now these grasslands have been converted into wheat farms, and these areas have become the wheat granary of the world. So tropical grassland are found within the tropical zones between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. These are known as Campos in Brazil, Llanos in the Orinoco Basin, and in Africa as savanna. So the grass of this grassland is coarse and very tall and grows to heights of 1 to 2 meters. As a result, it is also called elephant grass. So zebra, deer, antelopes, tigers, lions, foxes, and rabbits are common in this region. So a number of reptiles, crocodile, alligators, and hippopotamus live near water. Okay, courses land birds include cross sassoway, berry, ostrich, emu, and rhea. In the downs of Australia, kangaroo is also found. Desert vegetation, desert or semi-desert region comprises Kalahari and Sahara in Africa, Lower California and Northwest Mexico in North America, Atacama in South America, Arabia, West Rajasthan and Sindh in Asia and Western Australia. So owing to scanty rainfall, deserts do not have continuous cover of plants, shores, scrubs occur in patches and cacti, thorny bushes and coarse grasses are found in deserts. Date palms are found near watercourses in the Thar Desert. Babul kikar, khair and some dwarf trees are also found. Desert plants have no leaves, so they have waxy. पत्तियां नहीं होती उन पे, और पत्तियां किससे पानी मिलता है प्रॉपर, है ना, उनको वाटर सप्लाई मिलती है, उसी के अकॉर्डिंग तो फिर ये बढ़ते हैं. सो लेदरी और थॉर्नी फॉलिएट. कैक्टस के आपने देखे कितने मोटे मोटे वो होते हैं, इनके लीफ उसमें कांटे होते हैं. दे penetrate deep to gather moisture and search for underground water. The chief animal of the desert region is the camel, which is called the ship of desert. तो ऊंट को बचपन से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं हम ये चीज, ऊंट को क्या कहते हैं, रेगिस्तान का जहाज. Other animal include sheep, goats, ostriches and horse. The Arabian horses are world famous. Tundra vegetation. In the cold climate, tundra type of vegetation occurs in the polar regions of Europe, Asia and North America. There is a short growing season of less than 3 months during summer. So the land is snow covered during the long winter. Due to extremely cold climate, the normal tree growth is impossible. Natural vegetation comprises mosses, lichens and a few berry-bearing bushes, flowers, etc. So these plants are adapted to conditions prevailing in the region. The animals which are mostly found in tundra region are caribou, reindeer, muskox, wolves, polar bears and flamingo. In the oceans are found cod, a common variety of fish, whales and walrus. Okay, so the topics are covered in this chapter here. I hope you all are very well understand this. We will meet you the next class. Thank you.